Traders, I want to show you a very simple and effective scalping / day trading strategy. We wait for these things to come together. We've got a green zone that kicked off here, green shaded zone. We've got this up triangle, buy, up triangle. We get involved when, you can see the color. So green is the flavor of this period in time. Green crossing up from the base is generally a really strong signal. So green crosses red, so you would take that trade. This is trending up, so you would take that one, you would take that one. These are telling you to be careful, okay? Target would be this orange and yellow line. That's a previous weekly and a previous daily combined. Weekly is orange, the daily is yellow. Or you can just close when you see that kicking in, and that kicked in here. That's okay. Let's have a look at some other examples. In fact, before we do, let's just say that we did close here, back down in here. Fair enough. It's just a matter of being consistent, taking money out of the market. So what have we got? We've got 4.5R, 3.5, 8R, plus another 3, 11, around about 11R, just in this little short period here. Why wouldn't we take these green signals over here? It's really simple. We don't touch them. Why? Because this is trending down away from the high. Green crossing over red bearish. Okay, so leave it alone. So we want the combination of the green background and, okay, here's another example. You would take that trade based on this green crossing up. It's coming up from the bottom here. Stop loss, you're just following, see these levels here? You're just following these levels. So we take it based on that and the signal. Go for a 2R, or when you see the yellow line, that'll be a target. Wherever you want to go, doesn't matter. We don't touch that. We don't have any green or red back. We do here, but why would you not take that trade? Well, stay out of it because this is trending up around the high here. Got that, right? I wouldn't touch it because these are trading up. You want to get involved when these start to, look, you can be adventurous and take these, but I would prefer to wait for the green zone to kick in. But you can take those. But the combination of this moving up from the bottom and the signal works really well together. And the stop loss is just under this, the green shaded zone. That's it. Let's keep it really simple. Let's just have a look at another example. Guys, if you go to my website, it's anthonybourne.com. So there's no green shaded zone. You'd stay out of it. And you could give this a 7-day free trial. See how this could change the game for you. Why do we get involved with these? Well, we've got the green zone behind. We've got this here. Okay, this is trading down the low and it's crossing up. So you want it coming up from the bottom. So you would take that trade. It's trading up, you would take that one. This is trending up, you would take that one and that one. And you've probably got, 12, 20R possibly. What's that? That's 2, okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10R. Sorry, 20R, I've got to be carried away. But don't touch any of that, right? There's a red zone. What does that look like? Okay, you would take these based on and just stick to the plan. Well, it's not the best. This is a better signal when it's coming down from the high here and you get green crossing red. That's a good one, and there's your stop loss. There's your target there, that yellow line. So, this is trending down. Green crosses over red. These are good signals. This one back here, green crossing red, but it's not really coming down from the high. It worked out. But, you can see how, this kind of works. So we're entering a green zone here. I'll be looking for some opportunities. But, guys, look, there's a very simple way to get involved with this. Let's go back and have a quick look. And, at some stage you're going to find there's going to be an extended trend where it just goes on and on and on. You just get involved with that. What does this look like? Here we go. Look, see? This is what I'm talking about. So you would get involved with this. Okay, this is why. I'm going to show you something in a minute, just how to get involved and what the story is. But we've got the buy signal, we've got these signals. They go off in the alerts log. All right, this is trending up from the bottom, so this is ideal. We get the green crossover here, so it would take that. You could take that one there. Buy, 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 buy. See where I'm going with this? Look, and this is all trending up. Hold back through here, but green crosses up there, green crosses up there, and it runs with a vengeance. And I mean, you could get in 3 or 4 or 5 times, and that's 6R. There's maybe 20 or 30R just in this section here. You're just building on your position. And I'm going to show you how to get involved. If you go to my website and click on the free trial, try it for 7 days. You won't be charged. You won't be billed anything. And go for option 2 down here. This is the gold membership, right? It'll give you access to everything. We've got a Discord channel. There's daily mentorship videos. We've got Telegram signals, everything. And look, if you watch this video, it'll show you exactly what to do, how to get started, what to expect, all right? So go down here and click on gold and follow the video. That's it, guys. And with that, I'd love to see you on board. 7-day free trial. Set it up in the 7 days. See how successful it is. Trade it on TradingView. Use the paper account, and then later on you can trade it on TradingView with a multitude of different brokers. Your choice. But you can stick to the plan here and continue trading with any broker that you that you want to run with. Okay, guys. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.